Like me now, I have a goat in my house. The goat comes from this business, and I've named the goat Vegetable.
So I'm somewhere in I'm somewhere in Boko, Nke, and in this place they farm a lot of things, vegetables, different kinds, pepper, and you can see this is corn and tomatoes. And right now you see they're working on what do you call it, spinach. They're working on spinach. So I will talk to them and know how they do it and the process and stuff. So let me go into the farm. Now I'm a farmer right now. So let me not come and match your.
No problem. The first process is looking for a site.
Okay.
Then find a site, you weed your portion of site, make a nursery bed, prepare your nursery bed properly. You brought the seed of a spinach. You spread it on your nursery bed. After finishing, you carry chicken feces and start pouring on it. Then you water it.
Okay.
After some days, like 2 to 3 days, start germinating. When it germinates, after some days again, just bring your chicken feces and start pouring on it again.
So the kind of fertilizer you use is natural fertilizer?
Yes,
okay.
Natural fertilizer.
You don't need to spend money to buy fertilizer, or
no.
you buy the chicken feces?
Yes.
Okay. So in this business, does it have profit, or do you make money from it?
Yes, make a lot of money from it.
No, I was thinking it's waste of time.
No.
It's not waste of time.
It's not waste of time.
So now in this place now, how many people has this this farm here?
We are more than 15. We are more than 15.
Okay, so you are more than 15.
Yes.
All right. So this is your portion.
This is Mama's portion. My portion is up there.
Okay, this is Mama's portion.
Yes.
So now in this portion now, how much are we going to make? How much do you invest in this portion?
In this portion, let me say I invested like only 1,500.
Oh, 1,500.
For
okay.
The chicken feces, for the natural fertilizer we're talking about.
So how much is the spinach seed? How much did you buy the one that you spread here?
As for we now, we didn't buy.
Okay.
It is where we were nursing. Let me say, for example, before I start doing this spinach, I already find my own seed.
Okay, you have your own seed already?
I have my own seed already.
Okay.
As let me say, for example, now, when somebody did it, when I came here at first, as now Mama did her own here, I came and removed some spinach on it. I went and planted it at the back of my house.
So they grow up.
And
then from there, the seed, you use it to,
like
so you don't buy seed.
You see how this one now bring a seed?
Okay, like this one.
When the seed is due now. So the seed will now
this is where you get your seed from?
Yes.
Okay.
I'll prepare it and dry it and keep.
So you don't...
After keeping it for now, then I will now... When the seed matured, I will prepare it and keep. This is the seed, but this one is not matured enough. When it matured, it becomes black.
Okay. But if you plant this one, can it come up?
Very well. This one too, it will germinate very well. This one that has not matured enough, it will germinate very well.
Okay. So now, how long does it take it to be ready for harvest?
When it is the first nursing bed, like now, they will not do it here. After this one, after uprooting this one, they wait till next year, like let me say December. So when it is December now, this one has become a new nursing bed. So when you nurse it, it will last for 1 month. After the first nursing bed, the first process, we remove it and still nurse another one on it. Like this one now, when they approve it, they will just nurse another one on it.
So now, in how many times do you do the nursing and the harvest in a year?
Like this one now, it's more than 8 times.
8 times? Okay.
Not even a year, after some months, because that's from December to April now.
Yes.
Okay, we are in May. In May now. Because when rain becomes too much, like in June, then we'll stop because some will be rotting. When the
Okay.
water
As
is
you
too
see
much,
it now.
as you see some here that are rotting, when water becomes too much for it start rotting like this one.
Okay. So water
when
disturbs it.
Yes. When water
Okay.
becomes much by the riverside, we will not do it again.
So, but when there's no water, you can plant it as.
Continue planting it continuously.
Oh,
So
wow.
like now that there's water, we do it by the riverside. Like land there is water more by the riverside.
Yeah.
You can take it up.
Okay.
Even at my house, I do it. So at times
Okay.
I make heaps. I uproot it, uproot the small ones, and transplant it on the heaps like this, but
wow.
not beside the riverside. So when the
Okay.
things mature, I'll bring knife and
When
cut
it is raining now.
I'll cut it. Like let me say from that July to October. That is how I'll be transferring it to another site, but on the ridges.
Okay.
So I'll be cutting it. I will not be uprooting it directly.
So now, if I may ask, what are the challenges you people are facing in this process of planting? What are the challenges?
Challenges is the chicken feces.
And
We
the
are lacking the
watering.
chicken feces.
The water.
And our stress is watering because at times now the bed will be far closer to the riverside, and the river at times it got dried.
Okay. So what do you think that they will do to help people process this thing faster?
She give us machines that will provide, or she should dig borehole for us. And
Okay, so-
provide machines to be
Watering
spreading it, watering machine for us.
So now, by doing this business, how does the business help you in your life? You know.
A lot.
Not.
Like me now, I have a goat in my house. The goat comes from this business, and I've named the goat Vegetable. For years
Spinach.
now, my first
Yeah, the name of your goat is Spinach.
Vegetable, yes.
Spinach.
the first year I started doing this thing, I bought a goat. The second year, my husband was very sick. I would sell a nursery bed. I would sell one bed of the spinach. Remove some of the money, buy some things in the house like Maggi, other things, ingredients in the kitchen. I will keep some. I gathered the money up to 180-something thousand. I wanted to go
In a year?
In a year, I wanted to go and do something reasonable with the money. But then my husband got sick. I used the money and treated him. That is my second year. My third year, I bought a lot of things in the house.
So there's money in this business.
There's money in the business.
Oh wow. Yeah. Okay, so now, how much do you normally sell?
Depends on the size of bed.
Okay, so now when you are selling, do you sell like sticks, or you just sell the holes?
Those people that used to come from other local government and buy, they'll just come and price the whole nursery bed.
Okay, and then they will buy.
This one.
Okay, now like this one now. This
They are
okay,
both of
it's
them.
somebody's one.
Yes.
So now like this one we see here, how much is it?
Like this one now. This year that I think is not costing like that. Let me say it's 5,000.
Okay, the whole thing here is 5,000.
5,000, yes. But last year this nursery bed alone cost 11,000.
15,000, 11,000.
Yes.
So now this nursery bed now, I mean nursery bed or nursery bed,
Nursery bed.
nursery bed. This nursery bed now, that like you have it here, this person can come and carry everything here for just 5,000.
Yes, or proof it and leave your bed for you. You still nurse another one on it.
So now, what's the distance time do you give them to?
Just 2 to 3 days.
Oh, 2 to 3 days.
Yes.
So what if you don't do it 2 to 3 days?
You have to settle us that we can nurse another one. We'll quarrel, but we'll still allow you.
Okay.
Because you are wasting us time to still nurse another one. We'll quarrel you.
So now the issue of insects. How do you deal with insects?
We bought
I can see some
insecticide.
holes on this one.
We buy insecticide.
Okay.
There's a period where that insect normally comes. Like let me say, the first drop of rain started.
Okay. Oh wow.
So when the thing starts, we use insecticide.
So
Spray on it, add it inside water and spray it on it.
okay. So what do you have to say to people who live around river lines area, like small streams, and then they're not using it to farm? You know, some places you go, you just see the river will be there, nobody will be doing anything. What do you have to say to them?
Only advice to give them that they should keep themselves busy and do something on their land. Sit up. They should not allow the land to be wasting like that. And it's
there
really
is
helped.
something in
There's
it.
something in the land God give us.
There's money in the land.
There's money in
Yes.
the land.
There's money in the land.
Yes.
Okay. Wow, thank you very much. So now, if you are here and you want to know more about this spinach, how they plant it, and this is a process and what they say, that's how they make their money, and you think it's a good business, and if there's a way you can support, because the business has helped her to do a lot of things. Her husband, things in the house, goat. I believe there is a female goat.
Yes.
And the goat is producing
very well. It has given birth like more than 6 times.
So this farming of spinach has helped her a lot. So thank you so much.
Not high alone.
Not high alone.
Okay, has helped people in the community.
Yes.
Okay, now do you have like okay, let me just put it to you up here. So do you have like an organization that you use to do this thing together?
Not the real organization.
Like an association?
No, we don't have association yet. We are just planning. But there's something we do. We that do spinach here is a contribution we do every Saturday. So at the end of the day, we pack it, give somebody, go and buy something, anything you want with the money.
Okay, so you do contribution every day?
Yes, every Saturday.
Every Saturday?
Yes.
Okay. So how many are you in the contribution?
We are more than 10.
Okay.
The last time we did, we were 9. Now we are like 14.
Okay, so you pack every Saturday to
Everybody.
It's not everybody that join.
Okay, so it will help you to be able to solve your problems.
Yes.
So how do you manage about the goats and the cows and all those small animals that moves around?
Our challenges is when we start, but we tell people that has goat to catch their goat, tie it in one place. Like chicken now, we also talk about chicken. Like no one will not see chicken. Do you see how chicken scatter these ones here? Chicken will just come and
so they always come and destroy the farm.
Not like this, so they eat it.
They eat it all.
So why don't you guide it like a garden where they will not come inside?
That would be stressful because it's not just one portion or one bed that we have a lot of bed. So we'll guide it. Like now we are about to go to move outside. The people that has the piece of land will come and farm rice on it.
Okay, this is not your farm.
No.
Yes.
So when it's time for them to come, you leave for them to come and
Yes, we
farm.
leave for them.
It's
Very
almost
soon they
done.
started farming rice.
Yes.
Okay. So all this thing, everything will go away.
We'll go away.
Wow, that's interesting. All right. So thank you very much. Thank you for giving me an idea of how they farm spinach and what you are making. So I'm happy to see you people here. And Mama, welcome to Nwaka.